The real magic is not which indicator you use. It's how damn good you get at using it. You could be a price action ninja, a smart money, or master of some crazy custom indicator you cooked up yourself. Doesn't matter. What does matter is you master it. You know those indicators inside and out, backwards and forwards, until they're practically speaking to you. And that's where we come in, over here at TradeGenius. We're not about throwing complicated jargon or confusing charts at you. We're about breaking it down, keeping it real, and giving you trading strategies that are so simple even your grandma could understand them. We're talking strategies that aren't just theory. They're built for the real world, strategies that can actually put cash in your pocket. We're all about empowering you, the everyday trader, to actually make a living doing this. Alright, settle folks. First up, we're unleashing the swing high-low indicator. Now this isn't your grandma's indicator. This bad boy is built on pure price action, but we've streamlined it, supercharged it, so it's easy for anyone to use. And the best part, it's a universal weapon. Forex, crypto, stocks, commodities, indices, you name it. This thing hunts it down. You wanna scalp on 1 minute? Go for it. Swing trade on the daily? You got it. Today, we're diving into the Bitcoin battlefield on the 15-minute chart. So let's get this party started. Head over to the trading view, hit that indicators button, and in the search bar type in swing high low support and resistance. Boom, click on the bad boy and watch it paint your chart. What this indicator does is pure magic. It automatically pinpoints those crucial swing highs and lows, those battlegrounds where the market changes direction. It's having a secret map showing you where the real action is. It draws those dotted lines marking your support and resistance levels, the lines in the sand. Now hold your horses. We're not jumping in blind. We're going to tweak this beast to make it even sharper. Open up the indicator settings and let's go to the inputs tab. Here where we turn this thing from a slingshot into a freaking railgun. See the swing high strength? Crank that up to 14. And then do the same for swing low strength, also set it to 14. This tighten up indicator making it more precise and more responsive. Think of it like fine-tuning a supercar's engine. Make sure swing high source is set to high and swing low source is set to low. This ensures we're focusing on the absolute peak and valleys of price action. And don't worry about the style tab, we're keeping it clean and simple. We want the action, not the distraction. Now you've got this razor sharp indicator highlighting the key levels on your chart. In just a minute, I'm gonna show you exactly how to use these levels to bank some serious profits. We're talking real actionable strategies, not just theory. So stick around because this is where the magic happens. You don't want to miss this. Alright traders, you ready to crank this strategy up to 11? We've got our swing high lows locked and loaded. Now it's time to bring in the next indicator. We're talking about the Uptrick signal density cloud. Yeah, that's a mouthful, but trust me, this thing is a game changer. So let's get it. Back to the trading view, hit the indicators button, and type in Uptrick signal density cloud. Boom, slap that bad boy onto your chart and prepare to be amazed. Now we're not just throwing indicators on here for fun. We're building a system, a precise machine designed to extract profits from the market. This Uptrick indicator, it's our confirmation tool, our trend detector, the secret sauce that separates winners from the rest. But we're not gonna use it straight out of the box. We're gonna customize it, tune it, make it sing. First, let's clean up the clutter. Dive into the indicator settings, head straight to the Style tab. See those bullish reversals, bearish reversal, and table options? Yeah, we're gonna disable these options. Get them out of here. We want a clear, uncluttered view of what's really happening. Now, for the real magic, head over to the Inputs tab. This is where we fine-tune the engine. See the first smoothing length? Crank that bad boy up to 90. We're slowing things down, filtering out the noise, and focusing on the big picture. Next, second smoothing length and extra smoothing length, set both of those to 200. We're creating a powerful long-term trend filter. This ain't about catching every little blip, it's about riding the major waves. That's it. No other adjustments needed. We're transferring this indicator from a mess into a laser-focused trend detector. Alright, listen up traders. We've got your indicators dialed in. Now it's time to put them to work. We're talking about how to snag those sweet buy trades. First things first, we're hunting for uptrends. This ain't rocket science, but it's crucial. We need to see those price action candles floating above the Uptrick cloud. Think of it like a hot balloon rising above the clouds. That's the kind of momentum we're looking for. If the price is chilling below the cloud, step aside, we're not playing the game. Now here's where the swing high low indicator comes into play. We're scanning for those swing high levels, those lines in the sand, those price ceilings. We're waiting for a bullish breakout. What does that mean? It means the candle needs to powerfully close above the swing high level. That's our signal, our green light, our go time. That bullish breakout candle, that's our hero candle. The one that tells us the buyers are in control and ready to push the price higher. It's like a shot of adrenaline to the market and we're jumping on board. Once we see the breakout, we're pulling the trigger on a buy position. Boom, we're in the game. Now let's talk risk management, because even the best strategies can go south if you're not smart about it. We need a stop loss, a safety net, a just in case plan. You can place your stop loss slightly below the recent swing low level, or if you're feeling a bit more conservative, below a recent swing low that you've identified yourself. The key is to protect your capital. And finally, the reward. We're not in this for chump change. We're aiming for big wins. Our target, a minimum of 2 times the risk of our trade. If you're risking $50, you're aiming for 100. If you're risking 100, you're aiming for 200. You get the picture. Okay, for shorting, basically it's the buy trade in reverse. You want to see those candles diving under the Uptrick cloud. That's your downtrend. Then you're on the hunt for a swing low, and when a candle breaks below it, that's your cue for short. A stop loss goes above the recent swing high and you're aiming for at least double your risk. Simple, right? Just flip the logic and you're good to go.